You look like you want to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Today, I'm going to teach you. Let's do this. Now, I'm not one for hardships and stuff, so we're going to do something one step better than solving a Rubik's Cube. We are going to unsolve a Rubik's Cube. You might be going, Luke, this is a big stretch. I don't know what to do. But I got this, okay? Just stick around. Solving a Rubik's Cube is called the art of the masters. Ancient Chinese people did it, you know, when China still existed. Is China still a thing? Okay, so we're gonna solve this thing. Let's go. So first thing you always want to do is make sure it's nice and greased up. This is a lot harder to solve than I thought it was. Okay, so, you know what, I'm just going to take a moment to go, how's your day? My day's going pretty good, but your day is too. And you know what? I have respect for that. Oh my god, life, right? This video probably isn't entertaining at all, and I don't know. A lot to think about, you know? School's out. I can't handle this intensity. Why does life have to be a thing? I mean, I'm not complaining, but I am. Never mind. Now, seeing we have our mixed up Rubik's Cube, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna reverse the clip. So, what I'll have to lost it, or was this it? I see what says there she goes. Wait, no, only it's surplus. Likes them. It's a loss, and I was.
Hi, I'm Henry, the copywriting cow. Don't copyright. Moo!
Hi, I'm Henry, the copywriting cow. Don't copyright. Moo! Yeah, we back. What? Why? Yeah, we back.